Welcome to DualView Signout. First, begin by logging in with your unique username and password. After login, the pathologist's homepage is displayed with all the current cases. From here, go to the top menu and under AP Cases, select Batch Signout to list all the cases for review. On the right of the list, we have the physician and the facility that will receive each report. To review the case, click on the R icon and the dual view will be displayed. So now that we're in dual view, the left side is the editable screen where all the content can be updated, and on the right is the PDF report. With dual view, you can expand the report to full screen by clicking on the separator line tab in the center. The user can now view the report in full screen. And to return back to dual view mode, simply click again on the separator line tab on the very left-hand side. As an example, let's edit the report by removing the clinical history shown here altogether. We're going to go over to the Edit screen, select the text, and delete it. We then click the Submit All button, and the PDF report is instantly updated. Notice that not only has the clinical history text been removed, but since there's no longer any data on the field, the clinical history container has also been removed. All the other containers have been moved upwards, so there is no empty space on the report. To see the change in both directions, put the clinical history back in, submit, and the PDF again adjusts dynamically to include the new content. This report has 2 organ maps and 3 microscopic images. Dual view also allows for the management of all these images. On the edit screen, we scroll down the page to the bottom where all the images are located. We remove the lower GI map by selecting the Remove checkbox, and we do the same with one of the other images. Then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click on the Submit All button. Once again, the PDF adjusts dynamically, shifting all the containers and the proper information so that the report is perfectly aligned. If we go back to the edit side and scroll down to the images section, we see that these images were not deleted from the system, simply removed from the report. Dual view also allows for the expansion of individual images simply by clicking on them. A pop-up window appears, and the image is shown in a higher resolution. The user can then pan and zoom on this image. The dual view can also be user adjustable by dragging the separator line tab to one side of the screen or the other. Once the report view is completed, the user clicks on the Approve for Sign Out button at the top left-hand corner of the screen. The Cases checkbox is selected and the case is highlighted in gray. Once all the cases have been reviewed, the user only needs to enter their password once. The system then verifies it, and the user will click on the Submit Batch of Reports to Sign Out button to complete the process. The user then confirms the request, and the reports will either be delivered automatically via autofax to the physician and the facility, be available online via PC or an iPad, be sent to an EMR via an HL7 interface, or sent directly to the clinician's printer with a remote printer option. Thanks for watching, and this concludes our demo for DualView Signout.